Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So I decided to do a burgundy look today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I got this beautiful look today, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
So I'm just starting off using my Maybelline Fit Me press powder to prime my lids. So now I'm just going to use the matte book from the crayon case, and I'm just going to use that brown shade. And I will be using that shade for my transition shade. Then I will be going with my e.l.f. brow pomade and use that to apply to my lid as my base. Also, you want to make sure you blend those edges so it won't look harsh. And then we're going into the same matte book and using that burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. And I'm going to use that same transition shade that I used and just blend out my edges real good. I will be using my e.l.f. liquid liner to do me a wing. I'm not sure what lashes these are. I got these from my friend. I will be using my NIVEA cream to moisturize my face. So I'm trying something new again today. I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me press powder, and I'm just applying it before I apply my foundation. Saw this on TikTok, so I'm trying it, but now I'm about to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime. And for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty and the Professional Kiss foundation. I'm just mixing those two together. And to conceal up under my eyes, I'm just using the e.l.f. Hydrate and Satin Finish Concealer. To highlight, I'm just using the regular CAMO e.l.f. Concealer. And to highlight down the bridge of my nose and my chin, I'm just using the Maybelline Concealer. And to set all that, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. And to bring some moisture back into my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 Prep and Prime Spray. To contour, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrate and Satin Finish Concealer. And here I'm just cutting my contour with that Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. To line my lips, I'm just using that dark brown Ruby Kiss lip liner. And for lip gloss, I'm just using my b.amore Beauty and Essentials lip gloss in Nefertiti from the Skin Collection.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.